Hello everyone, I'm Steven from Czur. I'm the sales director of the Czur scanner. And here today I want to introduce you our Smartbook scanner, Czur. So here is the box. It's a quite heavy one, but we can see everything inside it. This is the scanner, and this is the pad for our for we can place the book. Let me show you the scanner first. So this is the scanner. And you can see here is the power adapter for the scanner. These two are the triggers when we scan. This is for the hand and this is for the foot. These are USB cable for the scanner connect to the computer. And this part is light, so we can supply the light source when we are scanning the glossy papers. For more information about our scanner, please visit our official website www.czur.com. Thank you for watching, guys.